Everybody just calm down.
Our story of the day is Pennies for Piggy, written by Jimia L. Jones. Whoa, look at that piggy bank right there. Busy, come on, Busy, come on. It's story time. Let's see what happens in this story. Make a wish and blow out the candles, said Mama. Leah closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and blew out all the candles. Who wants cake and ice cream? Me. I do, screamed the children. Whoa. If you like cake and ice cream, rub your tummy and say, mmm. Busy, I know cake and ice cream is your favorite too, especially during the summertime. Everyone gather around. It's time for Leah to open her gifts, said Daddy. Daddy handed Leah the last box. Here you go, sweetie. I wonder what's inside, said Leah as she ripped off the wrapping paper, opened the box, and dug through the tissue. What's in there, said Jordan. I wonder what's in there, y'all. Busy, do you have a clue? She pulled out a purple pig wearing a white tutu. One of the children yelled out, "It's a pig!" Oink, oink, oink. Can we make a pig noise, my little ones? Oink, 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 oink. And all the children laughed. It's not just any pig, said Daddy. It's a piggy bank. Wow! You could put your money in it, Leah, said Mama. Who is it from? I see a note in there, said Daddy. It says, let's see. Happy birthday, Leah. Now that you're 6, we think you're ready to save like a big girl. Every time you get $1, you should put 10 pennies in your piggy bank. Save lots of pennies so you could do something special. Love, Grandma and Grandpa for you. The next day, Leah and her parents went to visit her aunt and uncle. Uncle Ray, guess what Grandma and Grandpa Royal got me for my birthday? A purple piggy bank so I could save money. She blurted out before he could even answer. Oh, we all like money? Raise our hands. Yeah. Do you have any money to save yet? Asked Uncle Ray. No, she said sadly. He handed Leah some money. Well, here's $2, kid. Happy birthday. Leah jumped with gladness. Thanks, Uncle Ray. Leah ran through the house screaming, Mama, Mama, Mama. Leah, slow down. What is it? Said Mama. She tried to catch her breath. I have money for Piggy. Uncle Ray gave me money for my piggy. How much money did he give you? Asked Mama. $2, replied Leah as she waved her money in the air. Do you remember what Grandma and Grandpa Roy said? Asked Mama. I wonder what's gonna happen next. Busy. Come on, man. We gotta find some ways to save some money. Let's see. Let's see. Absolutely, said Leah. Piggy gets 10 pennies for every $1. I have $2. So, how many pennies is that? Mama looked at Leah and said, remember how to count by tens? Leah replied, oh yeah. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, Mama interrupted. Put Put your dollars on the table. This time, touch each dollar as you count by tens. Stop counting when you don't have any more dollars to touch. Explained Mama. Now let's count pennies for Piggy. Okay, I got it, said Leah. She put her dollars on the coffee table and pointed to each one as she counted 10, 20. It's 20. Piggy gets 20 pennies. Busy, you don't get no pennies. Where's your money, man? Gosh, don't be a freeloader. Oh, look at those $2. What color is those dollars? Green, yeah. That's right, Leah. Good job, said Mama. Leah turned to Mama. Where am I going to get pennies? Mama smiled. You know that jar of coins Daddy keeps on the dresser? I will trade your dollars for coins from the jar when we get home. Okay, can we go home now? Leah asked. In a little while, laughed Mama. Okay. When they arrived, Leah ran at the end of the driveway to check the mailbox. Let's act like we're running in place, my little ones. Uh-oh, she liked to look through the mail even though nothing would ever come for her. Let's see, what do we have today? Said Leah as she flipped through the envelopes. Looks like bills. Pay my telephone bills, pay my automobiles. How do you know what bills look like? Chuckled Daddy. Grown-up mail, said Leah as she continues to flip through the stack of envelopes. The last one in the stack was a pink envelope with handwriting. This one caught Leah's attention. She read the letter slowly. L E A H. Hey, that's my name. May I open it? Not until we get inside, said Mama. Ooh, Leah has a letter. Busy. I wonder what's in that letter. I'm writing a 4-page letter. Uh-oh. Go ahead and open it before you wash up for dinner, said Mama. Leah tore open the envelope and pulled out a card. The outside of the card read, a note of thanks. As she opened it, dollars fell out. Whoa! She said. Mama turned around to see Leah picking up dollar bills off the floor. Who sent the card? Asked Mama. I don't know, replied Leah. I'm trying to catch my money. Let me help you, said Mama. And she bent down. Mama picked up the card off the table and started to read. That was very kind of her, said Mama. Yes, it was, said Leah with a grin. Yes, it is. Busy. Can you grin? Yeah. Leah laid her dollars out on the table and started to count by tens. Let's count pennies for Piggy. Uh-oh, can you count with me, my little ones? Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's 50. Piggy gets 50 pennies. Mama, I'm gonna need more change, please, said Leah as she skipped off to wash up for dinner. No problem, said Mama. Uh-oh. Wasn't dinner delicious? Asked Daddy as he tucked Leah under the blankets. Mama did a great job, said Leah. Daddy read Leah's favorite bedtime story. She fell asleep as she turned the last page. Let's act like we're going to sleep. Whoa. Daddy kissed her on the forehead. Sweet dreams, Leah, and tiptoed out the room. Say sweet dreams. Good job. I love my best friend. Uh-oh. Whoa! Leah planned to sell some of her old toys at the neighborhood yard sale to get money to buy new toys. When you come home today, we will clean out your toy chest for the yard sale, said Mama. And don't forget to give Mr. Cherry your permission slip for the field trip. It's in front of your backpack. After school, Leah rushed to her room and started cleaning out her toy chest. Mama walked in as she was talking to one of her stuffed animals. Bear friend, I love you, but I think you're ready for a new home, Leah added, the bear to a box full of toys. I'll help you give everything a price later, said Mama, so you can go work on your chores while I make a few phone calls. Leah waited for Mom to walk down the hall before she threw herself on the bed and I don't like chores. Busy. Did you clean up the house today? Yes, you got to do your chores, Busy. It's important to do your chores and obey what your mommy and daddy says. Important. Daddy picked up Leah from school after the field trip on Friday. We're going to stop by the credit union on the way home, said Daddy. How much do I get for doing chores this week? Asked Leah. And may I have a lollipop, please? By the looks of your chore chart, you've earned $3. Remind me to ask the teller when we get to the credit union, said Daddy. Oh, let's see what happens next. They were greeted by a teller. Good afternoon. How may I help you? Daddy told the teller how much money he needed. In one lollipop. One lollipop, please. One lollipop. Can we whisper one? One. Coming right up, said the tailor. Thank you, said Daddy. Thank you, Leela said loudly as she waved from the back seat. Everyone together say thank you. Busy. Thank you for coming to story time, my brother. When Daddy got the envelope from the tailor, he handed Leela a lollipop and $3. Here you go, Daddy said as he reached back. Thank you, Express Leah. She laid the dollars on her lap and started to count by tens. Let's count pennies for Piggy. Uh-oh, count with Mr. Billy, everybody. 10, 20, 30. It's 30. Piggy gets 30 pennies and Leah gets a lollipop. She popped the lollipop in her mouth. Whoa. Busy, you don't get a lollipop, man. You had too much honey in it. Uh-oh. The next day was the neighborhood yard sale. Mama and Leah set up a table with old toys, kitchen tools, and random stuff from around the house. Mommy, look, said the little girl, and she pointed to a bear friend. How much is the bear? Asked the lady. Only $1, Lila said with a smile. The lady pulled out her wallet and said, all right, we'll take it. So, shouted Leah as she handed bear friend to the girl. Whoa, that is a cool looking bear right there. Busy, I may get you a bear for next Christmas. He had to do all his chores, y'all. I think it's time to pack it up, said Mom. Okay, said Leah. How much money did I make? Mama handed her an envelope of money. Leah lined up the dollars side by side and touched each one while she counted by tens. Let's count pennies for Piggy. Uh-oh, count with Mr. Billy again, everybody. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. It's 70. Leah looked up at Mama and smiled. Does Daddy have any coins left? I wonder if Daddy does. What do you think, Busy? Cool. Uh-oh. Daddy walked in Leah's room while she was filling her piggy bank. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Counted Leah. There you go, Piggy. Leah patted her bank on the head. Wow, Leah, said Daddy. I'm so proud of you for remembering to save. It's so important to save, everybody. The end. Yeah!